Now we're going to practice writing some of the letters that are in our spelling words. Look at the letters on the screen. Lowercase g, lowercase o. To make a lowercase g, you're going to start on the dotted line and go around like you're making a circle. Then you're going to go straight down to the bottom line and make a tail. Finger space, circle, down, tail. Finger space, circle, down, tail. For lowercase o, you're going to start on the dotted line and just circle around back to the dotted line. Finger space, circle around. Finger space, circle around. A whole row of G's, lowercase, and a whole row of lowercase O's is what you need to take a picture of and turn into your teacher. Now you are ready to read about Bob, Sal, Dad, and Pop in a story called Tap, Bam, Rip, Bam. The next story that you're going to read is another story about Bob, Sal, and Dot. Bob is with his sister Sal and his cat Dot. Sal wants Dot to hop on a pot. Can Dot do it? What will Dot do? We will use the new words and skills we learned to read about what these characters do. First, we're going to play the stomping game. Now, I will say a word and you will repeat it. Then we will spell the word together. Stomp your feet as you say each letter. Are you ready? The word is do. Say the word do. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? D-O. Great job. The next word is live. Say the word live. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. L-I-V-E. Great job. The next word is of. Let's spell it. Say the word of. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? O-F. Great job. The next word is hour. Say the word hour. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? O-U-R. Next word is wants. Say the word wants. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? W-A-N-T-S. Next word is what. Say the word what. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? W-H-A-T. The next word is with. Say the word with. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. W-I-T-H. The next word is your. Say the word your. Let's spell it and stomp for each letter. Ready? Y-O-U-R. Great job. This next activity, I'm going to say a set of words. You will give a thumbs up if all the words begin with the same sound. If they don't, give a thumbs down. Listen. 2 tiny toads. Do those 3 words begin with the same sound? Yes, I hear t at the beginning of all 3 words. So you should have a thumbs up. Now it's your turn. Thumbs up if they have the same sound at the beginning. Red rooster. Yellow lemon. Large round rock. Busy bike builder. 7 super sons. Great job. Now we're going to listen for the beginning sound in words. The picture at the top is a book. The beginning sound in book is B. We're going to look for another picture that begins with B. Ready? The first picture at the bottom is a bat. Does bat begin with the same sound as book? Yes, it does. They both begin with the B sound. The next picture is a hook. Does hook begin with the same sound as book? No, it does not. What about the gate? Does it begin with a B? No, it does not. What about this boat? Does the boat begin with a B sound? Yes, it does. What about a bag? Does bag begin with a B sound? Yes. What about the log? Does log begin with B? No, it does not. What about lock? Does lock begin with a B? No. And hat? No, hat does not begin with a B sound. All of these words begin with the B sound, all of these pictures. Now we're going to listen for the final sound in words. The picture at the top is book. The final sound in book is K. We're going to look for other picture names that end with K. Ready? Bat. Does bat end with K? No. Hook. Does hook end with K? Yes, it does. Does gate end with K? No. Does boat end with K? No. Does bag end with K? No. Does log end with K? No. Does lock end with K? Yes, it does. We will move the lock up there. What about hat? Does hat end with K? No, it does not. Remember that you can also break a word into all of its sounds. Each tile on the screen stands for a sound in the word. I will say a word and you will say the sounds in the word. I will move one tile for each sound you say. Listen. Up. I hear up. I hear two sounds in the word up. So I moved only two tiles. I don't hear any more sounds, so I don't move the third tile up. Now you try it. Listen and say each sound. The word is go. G. O. Go. Very good. Let's try another one. The word is hay. A. Hey. Remember to say the sounds with me. The word is us. S. Us. The next word is kick. K. I. K. Kick. The next word is hide. I. D. Hide. The next word is team. T. E. Okay, this last word, I want you to say the sounds by yourself. The word is sock. Terrific. Now we're ready to read about Bob, Sal, and Dot in a story called Hop On It, Dot.